Namaskar, Techwake Entertainment, and today we're going for a short drive around Alfamwa Village. So we went from the route of the swimming pool. So when we go on the road of our house, there's a bridge. When you go on the, I believe, 4:30s to 5:30s, when we go on the 4:30 to 5:30 road, so we reach a bridge. So from that bridge, when we go, we have three routes, but the third one is like to get outside of the community. So one route is for the milk bar where there's a sand park, there's a bounce park, and there's a free area for like playing football and round cycling, etc. So we took the route for the swimming pool, and now we're on the 280s.
How is the car feeling, baby?
Very good.
Where is the roof? Where is the roof?
Improving.
The roof. The roof is on fire.
And there are these small castle buildings here also.
That's the architecture here, you know.
The architecture.
Namaskar, Honar Mahadev, Alhamdulillah. How are you guys doing? I am still Veera's father here. I grew old a little bit, but Veera grew bigger. Actually, I didn't grow old, I grew younger.
Tomorrow you will see his young side in the next video.
Yes, cool. That's for sure.
And right now we are on Warsaw or Berlin Street and we're going towards Falcon Channel.
Falcon Loud Day, no?
And right now we are going near the Falcon Island, but we're not going in it because it's not allowed.
So we'll go towards Old of Astoria and this vlog you will put on the channel. It's your view.
OMG.
They all love you and they want to see you guys, so we'll put the vlog like this.
Yes.
So unfortunately, he doesn't have a cap, and we opened the chat of the Gatti. Wasn't it?
Shifting.
We're balling. Basically, we're balling. So my wife is in India and my daughter is in India, his sister. But we both, he's now 12, man. Another couple of years, he's going to be 18. And his father and son in school here from the time he was born. He always called me Addy, he never called me Papa. And that's the best part of our relationship. This car is his.
OMG. Rooftop fan.
I'll show you the car. I mean, Veera will show you the car tomorrow.
Yes, in tomorrow.
Tomorrow's video is how I got this car to be up to crypto networks and stuff like that. Our iPad sync here and everything. Simple stuff. But after a couple of days, or probably day after tomorrow or whenever, Veera will make a vlog on the car and tell you what the car features are. Mitubaya joined us as a driver here, but he is not a driver but a family member. That's most important. Very close, very important man. And also I got my driving license today, so I can drive now, you know. That's why I'm driving. Harar Mahadev. You want light? Yeah, more light. Yeah, cool. Our car has creator lights. You know?
Our seats, the seats, they can go hot, they can go cold.
So I would want Veera to make this video about the car, correct? This convert from a convertible to a normal car in freaking 2 minutes. And Veera, do you have a hard top? Not a flat top. And when you sit there, is it comfortable or not?
It's mid, in the middle. Comfort and
But do you have a problem with sitting in the car behind?
leg room is
But like, how do you feel?
very good. And the best part when the car converts, very easy because in the back, so this is the seat I'm sitting on, which is the front seat. So in the back seat, there's a wooden cardboard like pallet. And the shape of it is the shape that adjusts to your legs. Because it's like the one leg for one
Adjusting
leg.
seats है भाई, गौतम जा रहा है.
Adjusting sheets.
Keep going.
So whenever like the seat, if it goes too back or too far, if too far it's okay. But if it goes too back, then I can still adjust my feet because they're adjusting whatever I decide. So right now we're at the FIFA cafe. There's a FIFA cafe.
We're at
World Cup cafe. It's here.
Yeah, we are at the golf course, Alhambra golf course zone, and we're going back home because we had a long day. We left home at about 12:30 and we just came back and it's right now 12 p.m. almost, 23:54 p.m. That means the Europeans are seeing us at a different time, Americans are seeing us at a different time, and definitely the Indians, or we are way beyond their sleep.
They sleep like.
Dubai is 1.5 घंटा पीछे. Dubai is an hour and a half before India. But cool, we guys are doing what we guys can do, and we are just balling, man. Balling. We work hard, man. We hustle, we work hard, and we do what we gotta do. And all we want are your blessings and not nazar.
And it is your job. It's not our job. We to keep making videos. It is your job to get us to 1 million subscribers by the next 6 months or by the next year.
No, here's a lot. Next 6 months,
6 months.
me and Veera are going to be putting more videos for your financial success and your emotional success, and you want to achieve in life. If we can, so you can.
And daily vlogs, routines.
Daily videos.
And also, please spread the channel out to your friends because we just started. It's been like 1 week since we started after a very long time. So most people wouldn't know that we started the channel by now. So please share it to the other fans that the channel has started, and we can get back on track and they all can stay tuned like it was.
Okay. So I want to ask you a question, Veera. Will you answer it promptly?
Ramzi.
Let me bring the turn. Sorry, I'm a new driver here, so. Yes, boss. You want to see my card? Thank you. God bless you. Ja. So, I want to ask you a question, Veera. Look, my question is, Veera, what have you learned from India and what have you learned from Dubai? I mean, the UAE. And how is it different? What do you feel shifting here? It's been a month now.
So, India. So, first of all, we need to compare how clean Dubai is compared to India. Because in India, there's a lot of littering. And in Dubai, in front of every person's house, there are 3 specific recycle bins. So, every night, we take out the trash, we put it back. And people are also very nice here.
People are not nice in India?
People are very nice in India. But here, people are like
Nicer.
nicer.
Why do you say so?
So see, a lot of people are nice in India, but they're not nice from the start, you know. They know they're not nice from the start. They don't know you from the start. But here in Dubai, like, you know, like right now, Adi just went past the security. So Adi knew his culture. So Adi just said something about his culture. And he also respected it a lot. So here people are very friendly. They don't like start like judging you from the start, which when you meet somebody who is nice to you, most people do. And next, I've learned a lot of cultures. So we went to different restaurants, Jamaican restaurants and all, and we learned about some culture. Like I've also been starting to learn Arabic, and we went to a Jamaican restaurant and I learned.
What have you met
We
in
saw a lot of Jamaican people, like massive.
Massive. And then Pablo Sasek?
Yeah, and Martin Shasha. Shout out to Pablo Shasha and Martin Shasha. They've been friends with Eddie. They've been supporting Eddie for a lot of time, and they've helped us in ups and downs. Shout out to both of them. And plus people.
Dil ki baat, Veera, dil ki baat. Honesty.
In India, when you're driving your car, do you see camper vans and yachts oftenly in front of people's houses? Yachts. Do you see camper van and yachts in front of most people's houses? Because here in Dubai, you're just driving and in front of a house you see a yacht, or you see a camper van and you're like, oh, that's a camper van and this is a yacht and this all that. And there's also yacht clubs here. Like, is there a yacht club 5 minutes away from your house?
No. So what does it make you feel? That's what they will understand. What does it make you feel?
Makes me feel like before, when people have compared it all, most people only compare Dubai and India with tax, but we're not in Dubai, we're in Ras Al Khaimah. Ras Al Khaimah compared to India is just unbeatable.
The tax is the same.
Even though tax is the same, it's unbeatable. You don't see any rappers in the corners. You might see a little bit of sand. It's UAE, obviously you will see a little bit of sand, but you don't see you don't see multiple chips packets, and
No kachra.
the sewer is not stacked with cans and all that, and no kachra. So right now we're back on the route on the bridge. Do your parents allow you to cycle alone when you're 11 at least? Maybe and maybe not. But here, nobody's like not allowed to go out. Even though like when they're like Samriddhi's age, they're still allowed to go outside alone. Like no one accompanying and all. But in India, like you're cycling and most of the time somebody's accompanying you. Like they're like walking behind you or they're cycling with you. But here you can just cycle on the sidewalks casually. And like here is the swimming pool. And a lot of people come to swim here, and a lot of people my age come to swim here alone outside. Like they have their own electric scooters. At least most people, like 80% of people here have either a cycle, an e-bike, a dirt bike, a electric scooter, even go-karts. Sometimes I've seen some go-karts outside. So people like...
And even some convertibles.
Yeah, and convertibles. But I'm talking about people my age. So in India, most 11-year-olds are not allowed to cycle outside their house alone. They're mostly accompanied. I mean, some people are allowed, but most people are accompanied. But here, there are like no worries. There's like, most people my age use their electric scooters, their cycles here to go. But in India, they have cycles. Some people have electric scooters, whatever they have. But mostly they need to be accompanied. Sorry, we took the wrong turn. Can we take a U-turn and come back?
Yeah, of course.
Sorry, we couldn't take a U-turn. We went by accident from the bridge. So we needed to take a U-turn from behind, but we
आप
couldn't
हिंदी
take
बोलते
it.
हैं मैं जब वापस आता हूँ मैं पीछे से यूटर्न ले नहीं पाया यहाँ से ले लेंगे
I mean, this is not more trustworthy than Russell Khaimah. I mean, Dubai also. The whole UAE. The whole UAE. So most people, everybody relies, like in Sharjah, in Ajman, in Abu Dhabi, in Amal Quain, in Dubai, in Ras Al Khaimah. Parents like allow their children to go outside alone because it's a very trustworthy place. But in India, it's not that trustworthy. There are very few incidents that happen here. So barely any incidents that happen here. There are no like daily incidents. It's like basically there's like 1 to 2 in monthly, which is very small, and which is a very small amount, and that's the difference from India and UAE. That's it.
Anything else you feel better here, living wise?
The AQI. So the AQI is very better because in India, like the AQI charge is very high, but here the AQI is very good. I can like breathe freely, and I don't need to like take nebulization 2 to 3 times a day. Here, very rarely I do it. Like mostly, like just in case I take it before I sleep in the night. But like I don't take it like I did in India, like a bunch of times.
How many times in India?
3 courses.
How many times a day?
9 at least. At least 9 nebulizations a day. 1 course is 3. Levolin, Duolin and Budosol. Here there are different medicines, but still in Dubai, I need to take only 1 before I sleep in the night.
That also I think because it's not the change of
Weather.
weather.
When I get used to it here, then it will be better.
Of course.
So right now we're about to reach home.
How is the car, Veerava?
The car is just too good. I'll give you a full review to you guys. So now we're about to reach home. We're on the milk bar and the swimming pool route, which in front of it is the bridge to our 4:30 to 5:30 route. So we're going from the double sheet route and we're about to reach home. We're gonna go home, eat dinner, and then we're going.
And what do you think your father does? I tell them that.
Sound healing, Reiki, and investing,
And
trading, and
monies.
when he
And music?
and music and living life
How are we living life?
in this car.
And
In more cars they're going to buy,
the house?
and the house and
They haven't seen the house, so we'll show them the house.
the
We should make the house video
humongous curved PC
coming soon.
So-
Champion.
tomorrow. So we went to the computer mall today.
Anand Plaza.
Computer Plaza.
No, it's called Alliance Plaza. It's the biggest electronics mall in
Dubai.
Southeast Asia.
So we went there and we found very good PCs. So we were gonna buy, and tomorrow I took his number. So tomorrow I'm gonna send him pictures of the miniature PC that I kept for like gaming a little bit for right now. So then I'm going to send him the photos, and then he's going to trade for it. You know, like I'm gonna give him this piece monitor, and he's gonna
So you go trade.
give me a better curved monitor.
So go trade. That's so cool.
So now
If you
we've
start
reached
trading,
home.
it will be so cool.
So now we've reached home, and we're in front of the house right now, and we're gonna go inside. We're gonna eat our dinner, and I don't think I need to take nebulization, but just in case I will, and we're gonna sleep very nicely.
Like horses fold, we are sleeping.
Panda.
Oh no. Mira,
And our car will also be sleeping.
can I tell you something?
So it's very, like, the house is very good. Like, so we haven't showed it to you, but I'll describe it for you. So we enter the house. There's like in the kitchen, and in front of the kitchen, like the table of the kitchen, there's the counter, and there's like a mini basement where there's just a bathroom, and next to it is our Wi-Fi connected, portable Wi-Fi. Like, you know, you can, when you go on a trip, for example, Oman is very close here. You go to Oman, you can just take the portable Wi-Fi with you. When you go to the hotel, you can just plug it in, and it's very good. So when you go upstairs, there are 3 bedrooms, 1 TV room, and the starting, like when you walk, it's my bedroom, and in the end of the aisle, there's a guest bedroom, and before like the guest bedroom, there's the master bedroom. So
And the car?
And the car is very good. We just got it 2 days ago.
Yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday. Technically not yesterday, because so we're gonna customize it and all. Like, we're going to show you after we customize it. We're gonna add LEDs on the edges like our Mercedes was, and we're gonna do it. We're gonna skin it like our Mercedes was. And now we're gonna go inside the house, and we're gonna end the video.
How's the car?
Car is very good. It's very good, and we're gonna customize it, and then we're gonna show it to you. We're also gonna add a additional wallpaper, and I haven't seen this. This is it's like the sunlight out, and the light also opens with it. So in the night, when you want to see your face, you can just open this light and see. Okay, it's been 31 minutes. So when in front of the house, we're gonna go outside, we're gonna eat. I've already done that walkthrough, and we're gonna end the video from here. Make sure to watch tomorrow's video. Bye.